ये आकाशवाणी है। कृपया हमारे अगले कार्यक्रम की प्रतीक्षा कीजिए। ये आकाशवाणी है प्रस्तुत है मुंबई में संपन्न होने वाले वैश्विक दृक्श्राव्य एवं मनोरंजन शिखर सम्मेलन 2025 का पूर्वावलोकन।
Welcome to the curtain raiser of WAVES, World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit 2025. WAVES, World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit. WAVES, connecting creators, connecting countries. WAVES.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं जयंत
And I am Keisha.
और हम सवार हैं तरंगों पर।
Yes, we are surfing on WAVES, World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit, right here in Mumbai from the 1st to the 4th of May.
किशा, हमारा देश कहानी कहने वालों का देश रहा है। पौराणिक कथाओं से लेकर नीति कथाओं तक आशय भाव ने समाज मन को प्रभावित किया है। सिनेमा, नाटक, पत्र पत्रिकाएं, रेडियो, टेलीविजन के जरिए हम तक पहुंचने वाली कहानियां अब दूर संचार की सुविधाओं में क्रांतिकारी विस्फोट के बाद ये कहानी हम जीने लगे हैं। 2D से 5D तक, सैटेलाइट चैनल से लेकर OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स तक और VR से ER तक आते आते कहानी कहने की कला में बहुत परिवर्तन आया है। मीडिया और मनोरंजन की दुनिया के सूरमाओं का पहला महाकुंभ शुरू हो रहा है कल से। जी हां, सूचना एवं प्रसारण मंत्रालय तथा महाराष्ट्र सरकार द्वारा संयुक्त रूप से आयोजित ये वैश्विक सम्मेलन आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का विजन रहा है।
मैं आपको एक और खुशखबरी देना चाहता हूं। भारत की क्रिएटिव टैलेंट को दुनिया के सामने रखने का एक बहुत बड़ा अवसर आ रहा है। हमारे देश में पहली बार वर्ल्ड ऑडियो विजुअल एंटरटेनमेंट समिट यानी वेव्स समिट का आयोजन होने वाला है। आप सभी ने दावोस के बारे में सुना होगा, जहां दुनिया के अर्थ जगत के महारथी जुटते हैं। उसी तरह वेव्स समिट में दुनिया भर के मीडिया और एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री के दिग्गज क्रिएटिव वर्ल्ड के लोग भारत आएंगे। यह समिट भारत को ग्लोबल कंटेंट क्रिएशन का हब बनाने की दिशा में एक महत्वपूर्ण कदम है।
वेव्स दरअसल सिनेमा, मीडिया, गेम्स इंडस्ट्री और मनोरंजन प्रौद्योगिकी के सूरमाओं का अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सम्मेलन है।
Well, there's also broadcasting, social media platforms, generative AI, augmented reality, virtual reality, extended reality. Actually, India, Jayant, is at a dominant position in media and entertainment with talent spread across different geographies of the country, creating compelling contents through our rich heritage, right? The inauguration is tomorrow, the 1st of May at Geo Convention Center, and this moment, I'm sure you agree, will create history. Let's hear it from the Honorable Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Shri Ashwini Vaishnav.
It's totally transforming because of the use of technology we have seen in the recent past. There are many movies which have been created using technology. We have also seen a large creative economy coming up because of the convergence of creativity and technology. Our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has foreseen this entire technological change, and that's why last year he instituted the first Creators Awards, taking that forward at a much larger scale. This year, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji will be inaugurating the first Waves Summit in Mumbai. Waves Summit will be held from 1st May to 4th May in Mumbai, and this is going to be one of the biggest platforms for the audio visual entertainment industry. CEOs will join from all over the world. Creative, talented people will join all over the world. The Create in India challenge, which was started some time back, that challenge has attracted more than 80,000 entries. They are getting analyzed by the professional people who are in the world of creativity. Out of that, 1,000 shortlisted finalists will be recognized. We are also setting up a fund of $1 billion in public-private partnership, and the first IICT, Indian Institute of Creative Technologies, is getting established in Mumbai. Government of Maharashtra has given land for it, and we are now setting up the first IICT with funds of about 400 crore rupees, and this will be a major boost for the entire new age creative world. The creators will get new opportunities, our people will get better employment opportunities because of this, and our talented people and our rich storytelling heritage of our country will get new avenues.
किशा कितना कुछ कह जाती है इस सम्मेलन की टैगलाइन, कनेक्टिंग क्रिएटर्स, कनेक्टिंग कंट्रीज।
That's right. We are set to create waves in the global media and entertainment industry in this first edition of Waves. All eyes and ears are on Mumbai, especially at the Geo World Convention Center. Jayant, the preparation has gained momentum and the world is watching.
सृजनकारों के इस महाकुंभ के हाइलाइट्स अपने श्रोताओं को बताते चलें। पिछले साल भर से क्रिएट इन इंडिया प्रतियोगिता का आयोजन हुआ था, जो प्रतिभावान सामग्री रचनाकार यानी कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स इस प्रतियोगिता से उभरे हैं, उन्हें अपनी कला को, अपनी परिकल्पना को साझा करने का, प्रदर्शित करने का अवसर है वेव्स 2025.
Well, it's time for us to now get a message from the CEO of Prasar Bharati, Gaurav Dwivedi.
वेव्स 2025 का जो ये आयोजन मुंबई में किया जा रहा है, उसके जो प्रमुख उद्देश्य तो यही है कि जो क्रिएटर इकोनॉमी है उसको जो आजकल ज़्यादा तवज्जो मिल रही है, उसको जो एक नई पहचान बन रही है, उसका एक रिकग्निशन है, और उसके साथ ही साथ इस क्षेत्र के विकास के लिए देश के अंदर में और देश के बाहर के जो लोग इस सेक्टर से जुड़े हैं उन सबको ला करके उनके बीच में परस्पर इंटरेक्शन कराया जाए। जो इस क्षेत्र से रिलेटेड कुछ प्रमुख मुद्दे आज उठ रहे हैं, उन मुद्दों पर विचार विमर्श किया जाए।
Talking about highlights, and there are so many highlights, we've got the WaveX 2025 platform as well, Jayant, where investors will meet disruptors. Get this, it's very exciting. Live pitching sessions, funding opportunities, innovations that are going to be showcased. It is, I think the word is game changing. Because the game-changing pitch sessions where media tech startups will present their ideas is absolutely breathtaking, or making me stop in my track right now.
जी किशा, वेवएक्स के बाद में हम चलते हैं वेव बाजार की ओर। बाजार, जी हाँ, सृजनशील व्यावसायिकों की ये हाट लगी है जियो वर्ल्ड कन्वेंशन सेंटर के पवेलियन 1 में। जैसे ही हम प्रवेश करते हैं, सबसे पहला स्टॉल जो हमारा ध्यान आकर्षित करता है, हमारा स्वागत करता है, वो है प्रसार भारती के ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म वेव्स का स्टॉल। इस बाजार में अलग अलग चैनल्स के, ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म्स के, विभिन्न राज्यों के टूरिज्म डेवलपमेंट कॉरपोरेशन के, फिल्म प्रोड्यूसर हाउसेस के और म्यूजिक प्रोड्यूसर्स के स्टॉल्स हैं। कल्पनाशील कंटेंट प्रोड्यूसर्स और बायर्स के इस मेले में इसके बारे में जानकारी दे रहे हैं महाराष्ट्र सरकार के उद्योग सचिव डॉक्टर पी अनबलगन।
Mumbai is going to witness the Waves. It's basically a World Audio Visual Entertainment Summit. It's first time happening in India, in Mumbai. It's going to happen in between like 1st of May and 4th of May. The World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit is going to showcase India's sharp strength in storytelling, movies, animation, visual effects, extended reality, actual reality, comics, everything which is related with media and entertainment. Media and entertainment is growing as a huge sector, which is like a $5 trillion dream for the country, and of course for $1 trillion dream for the state. Really, Mumbai is like pleased to host this summit. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting is the co-host, and Government of Maharashtra is the co-host. And as I was mentioning, it is going to be the first time in the country, and this is going to be an annual feature from the next year onwards. And it's a 4-day affair where the first day is going to start with inaugural session where Honorable Prime Minister will be addressing the various stakeholders coming from almost more than 19 countries. There are global media dialogue ministers coming from more than 33 countries. Then lot of leadership, particularly in film, music, audio, animation, in entire media and entertainment sectors from almost close to 60 to 70 nations. And we are also going to have a various spectrum of like young professionals who are into Kyoto, basically creative economy. Close to 90,000 entries have been there that has been shortlisted, and there were competition for 32 challengers. Their success story is also going to be showcased. The inaugural is going to be with the Honorable Prime Minister and a lot of celebrities and all the great people in the entire arena of media and entertainment going to be there. And from Maharashtra side, Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Governor, they're all going to be there. Minister INB and all the ministers from the state and most of the ministers from the union are all going to be part of this entire thing.
डॉक्टर पी अनबलगन की इसी बात को आगे बढ़ाया है महाराष्ट्र सरकार के डेवलपमेंट कमिश्नर इंडस्ट्रीज दीपेंद्र सिंह कुशवाहा ने।
इस समिट का उद्देश्य यह है कि इस देश में और इस राज्य में और इस शहर में रहने वाले जो सभी कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स हैं, एंटरटेनमेंट सेक्टर में काम करने वाले हैं, उन सभी को एक ग्लोबल प्लेटफॉर्म प्राप्त हो। इस प्लेटफॉर्म से वो अपने हुनर, अपनी स्किल्स इस सेक्टर को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए दे सकेंगे। तो जो ये वेव्स का समिट है, इसमें वेव्स बाजार ऑर्गेनाइज हो रहा है, क्रिएटर्स एरेना तैयार हुआ है जहां पे कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स काम करेंगे, और इस सब का फायदा पूरी इकोनॉमी में नए रोजगार और नए इन्वेस्टमेंट के रूप में हमें देखने को मिलेगा।
So much to learn and so much to receive and give, I think, when you get to Waves, right? The Waves Bazaar, a one of its kind global marketplace that connects creators, investors. The byline comes to mind again. Connecting creators, connecting countries. Well, while we're at it, what about all the masterclasses and interactive sessions that are going to be there? It's going to be a rare opportunity for everyone who attends to learn from industry stalwarts. There are going to be global leaders. There's going to be this opportunity to gain insights into the future of media, entertainment, technology. I'm breathing in deep.
और ये जो मास्टर क्लासेस होने वाली हैं, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के नामचीन निर्देशक, अभिनेता, अभिनेत्रियां और प्रोड्यूसर्स भी इसमें हिस्सा लेने वाले हैं। जाने माने निर्देशकों और कलाकारों के परिचर्चाएं होंगी। इसमें एक सेशन होगा द न्यू मेन स्ट्रीम, ब्रेकिंग बॉर्डर्स, बिल्डिंग लेजेंड्स। परिचर्चा के प्रतिभागी होंगे एस राजमौली, AR रहमान, अनिल कपूर, आलिया भट्ट और विकी कौशल। समन्वयक करण जौहर। बस नाम ही काफी है।
Well, I've got to add another one. One of the first plenary sessions will be Legends and Legacies, the stories that shaped India's soil. It's going to be moderated by Akshay Kumar.
Wow.
And the speakers are going to be Hema Malini, Mithun Chakraborty, Rajnikant, Mohanlal, Chiranjeevi. You're right, just enough to take the names.
ये सब जहां होने वाला है उसे बड़ा समर्पक, बहुत ही खूबसूरत नाम दिया गया है, क्रिएटोस्फीयर। क्रिएटर्स के द्वारा क्रिएटर्स के लिए क्राफ्ट किया गया ये मंच है क्रिएटोस्फीयर, जहां परिकल्पनाएं प्रज्वलित होंगी और रचनात्मकता अपनी सीमा के पार होंगी।
So May 1st, one of the plenary sessions I am definitely looking forward to as well is Legends and Legacies, the stories that shaped India's soil. It's going to be moderated by Akshay Kumar, and on stage the speakers are going to be Hema Malini, Mithun Chakraborty, Rajnikant, Mohanlal, Chiranjeevi. The names, they speak so much already.
क्या बात है। और एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सेशन है किशा, बिल्डिंग द नेक्स्ट ग्लोबल एंटरटेनमेंट रिवोल्यूशन फ्रॉम इंडिया। स्पीकर कौन है? जाने माने उद्योगपति मुकेश अंबानी।
Wow, okay, we've got even the journey from outsider to ruler to look forward to, and the speakers will be Shah Rukh Khan, Deepika Padukone, and moderated by Karan Johar. But May 2 is looking interesting as well. So this was May 1st, but May 2nd, you've got Studios of the Future putting India on World Studio Map. That's the name. And the speakers will include the likes of Amir Khan, Charles Roven, Ritesh Sidhwani, Namit Malhotra, Dinesh Vijayan, Ajay Bijli, amongst others. And it's going to be moderated by Mayank Shekhar.
और इसी दिन एक इनएविटेबल सेशन है टेकिंग इंडियन कल्चर टू द वर्ल्ड बाय नीता अंबानी। सिनेमा द सॉफ्ट पावर। स्पीकर्स हैं ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन, करीना कपूर और विजय देवरकोंडा। क्या इसे आप मिस कर सकते हैं?
Not at all. There's so much to look forward to. Let's see what some of our celebrities like Akshay Kumar shared his thoughts.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं अक्षय कुमार। You and I always knew the Indian way of storytelling. हमारे भारत की कहानियां दुनिया को हिलाने की ताकत रखती है, बट इट इज टाइम नाउ दैट द होल वर्ल्ड नोज अबाउट इट। इंडिया इज द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ फिल्म्स इन द वर्ल्ड। हम करीबन 35 भाषाओं में कंटेंट बनाते हैं। आवर ऑडियो विजुअल कंटेंट, आवर मीडिया लैंडस्केप, आवर एंटरटेनमेंट कैपेबिलिटीज हैव द पावर टू शेक द वर्ल्ड एंड अ माइलस्टोन स्टेप इन दिस डायरेक्शन इज अबाउट टू बी टेकन। सो गाइस, तैयार हो जाइए वर्ल्ड ऑडियो विजुअल एंटरटेनमेंट समिट के लिए। Waves 2025, the world's most powerful gathering of minds that will change the future of global entertainment right here in our country, Bharat. Watch out for it. Jai Hind.
This is such a rich sharing from Ranbir Kapoor.
My grandfather, Mr. Raj Kapoor, built RK Studios with a dream to create cinema that lasts beyond a lifetime. Back then, there was no World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit Waves to take our film worldwide. But if he had this platform, Indian cinema would have ruled the world long ago. Now it's your time. Lights, camera, action. World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit Waves is here. And this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Only 15 days left. Are you ready to take the stage?
और इस कड़ी में एक और नाम है A.R. रहमान।
Jai Ho started in a small studio in Chennai called Panchatan Recording and echoed across the world. That's the power of our stories, our music. Now it's time for World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit to take that power even further. Join the movement that will make Indian music unstoppable. Let's create history together at World Audio Visual Entertainment Summit Waves 2025, 1st May to 4th May.
When you talk about Waves, so many celebrities, so many stalwarts, legends are going to be in that space. Let's hear from some of them.
Hello, you're coming there, right? Come on, sir. You don't even have to ask me. The biggest names, the biggest ideas, the future of media is going to be shaped right here.
But who exactly is going to be there?
Global leaders, entertainments के sharp minds और innovators who are breaking boundaries. Music हो, cinema या live performances, past, present और future icons, सब यही मिल रहा है।
यार सब कह रहे हैं कुछ बड़ा होने वाला है, लेकिन क्या ये सिर्फ entertainment के बारे में है?
This isn't just about entertainment. The biggest deals, investments, collaborations, this is where they happen.
But who's actually leading the conversation?
The Prime Minister himself is sitting down with industry leaders, shaping global policies and partnerships.
PM is involved. So we're talking about setting global standards, shaping the future of the industry. Wow.
Exactly. Global leaders, tech giants, creators and investors. Everyone who is shaping the future of media is coming together.
But what else is happening?
From AI-driven storytelling, virtual production and next-gen content creation.
All of it together on one global stage for the world to witness.
इतना कुछ बदल रहा है, लेकिन ये सब क्या क्रिएटर्स के लिए सच में मतलब रखता है?
Really, नए platforms, बड़े collaborations, a global audience. It's about breaking boundaries and taking creativity to places we never imagined.
So this isn't just another event. This is where industries actually transform.
Exactly. This is where ideas become reality.
The biggest stage, the sharpest minds. I'm definitely in.
Are you?
To know a little bit more, actually a lot more, let's meet up with the CEO of Waves, Achal Malhotra.
With just a day to go for the inaugural edition of Waves 2025, I, Achal Malhotra, the CEO of Waves, am privileged to share with you the snapshot of this summit and what it aims to achieve. Envisioned by our Honorable Prime Minister in the year 2019 to build on the creators' economy, the seeds of Waves were sown. Through the years, the entire landscape of media and entertainment summits and such events which are akin to Cannes, Oscars, game development conferences, etc. were studied, and we realized that as a cohesive effort, we need to integrate the entire media and entertainment landscape such that we can have an equivalence of the World Economic Forum at Davos and have our own World Creators Forum. India has always been the land of storytellers, and our stories have shaped our lives through generations. Be it the epics, or the Upanishads, or our rich culture of performing arts, Bharat's media and entertainment has always been an integral part of our being. Waves therefore hold special significance in our ways of life, and to build on the creators' economy is but natural for Bharat.
ये थे वेव्स के चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर अचल मल्होत्रा। वेव्स 2025, जहां प्रज्वलित होंगी परिकल्पनाएं और संरचनात्मकता होगी सीमाहीन।
If you're looking forward to Waves 2025, it doesn't just stop there. We've got the launch of a brand new sound, a sound of new beginning actually, and unity beyond borders. The album is The Waves of India, where we've got maestros who will unite to present an ode to India's soul crafted for the world. You have the likes of A.R. Rahman, M.M. Keeravani, Meet Brothers, Ricky Cage, Shankar Mahadevan and Prasoon Joshi. They will be sharing with us about uniting hearts across the waves.
और इन नामचीन कलाकारों को देखने के लिए, उन्हें परफॉर्म करते हुए, उनके परफॉर्मेंस का अनुभव करते हुए हमें इसके लिए आना है वेव्स में।
You're right, there is so much and then more at Waves 2025. The day one is going to open with a stirring invocation by M.M. Keeravani and a 30-member orchestra. And along with that, there's the Sutradhar Reinvented. That's the title. It's going to be a sensory-rich journey into India's cinematic and storytelling DNA, narrated by Sharad Kelkar. And then later in the evening, on the 1st of May, Jayant, we're going to have a classical ensemble led by legends like Vishwa Mohan Bhatt, Yela Venkateshwara Rao, and Ronu Majumdar. And there are going to be other amazing performances. You're going to see the Tistio sisters, Jhala, Shreya Ghoshal, King and Alan Walker, and a cinematic act by Anupam Kher. I'm just stopping right now and just imagining, because this is the curtain raiser.
बिल्कुल सही कीशा। ऐसे नामचीन कलाकारों को परफॉर्म करते हुए देखने के लिए, उनके क्रिएशन का अनुभव लेने के लिए आपको आना है जियो वर्ल्ड कन्वेंशन सेंटर, बांद्रा कुर्ला कॉम्प्लेक्स, मुंबई में।
Well, if you're talking about day one being so rich, can you imagine the colors, the grandeur, the largesse of day 2, 3 and 4 till the 4th of May? Get ready, Mumbai, to be mesmerized with what is going to be offered at Waves 2025. The closing of Waves 2025, which is May 4th, towards the end of the evening, you're going to see the finalists and winners of the Create in India Challenge. They will perform a dynamic music showcase, Jayant, and they're going to be classical flair of Vaustad to the fusion of Symphony of India, the energy of Battle of the Bands, and the electrifying EDM Challenge. Wow!
क्या बात है, बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने कीशा। सृजनकारों के इस महाकुंभ से भारत की प्रतिभावान क्रिएटर्स का दुनिया को परिचय मिलेगा और इस क्षेत्र की व्यावसायिक परिमाण नई ऊंचाइयों को छुएंगे। तो चले वेव्स 2025 की ओर। सो कीशा, मुंबई राइड्स द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी।
Jayant, Mumbai becomes the pulse of global entertainment. Thank you for joining us for the exciting curtain raiser of the World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit, Waves 2025.
इसी के साथ मैं जयंत पात्रीकर
एंड आई एम कीशा लोबो
आपसे आज्ञा चाहते हैं। मिलते हैं वेव्स 2025 में। ये था मुंबई में संपन्न होने वाले वैश्विक दृक्श्राव्य एवं मनोरंजन शिखर सम्मेलन 2025 का पूर्वावलोकन। प्रस्तुतकर्ता अतुल पहाड़ी और विवेक वानखेड़े।